Greetings everyone, this is Manisha. I welcome you all in this video in which we are going to study about typecasting. Typecasting is a very special feature of programming language C. In this video we are going to see how it is used and why it is used. So I will request you to watch this video till the end. Today's question on which we are going to use this typecasting is input two integer values and find out sum, difference and average of the values, right? In this we will also study what is the difference in a typecasted expression and a simple expression in which typecasting is not done. Now for this particular question we'll be using concepts of variables. We'll be using 4 integer variables and 1 float variable. Now why 4 integer variables? 2 for input. We'll be needing 2 integer variables for our input, 1 to calculate sum and 1 to calculate difference. Now 1 float variable will be required to calculate average. Now why float variable? Because we are going to use divide function in this, divide operator in this. In division we may get our answer in decimal also, that is why floating point variable is required, right? Now what kind of operators will be used? We'll be using arithmetical operators as per the functions that will be using it, right? Plus, minus, division and assignment, right? What kind of data types will be required? It is very clear with the variables that what kind of data types will be required. Integer types of variables will be required and float type of variable required, right? What kind of pre-defined functions we'll be using? We'll be using clear screen, printf, scanf and getch. About all these concepts I have already explained in my previous videos. If you have not seen my previous videos, please click on the I button and visit my channel. And if you like those videos, please share and like and subscribe my channel. Let's start today's topic, that is typecasting. Now typecasting is very important concept of programming language C. It is also used in C++, right? Now what is typecasting is, for example, like this program that we are going to do today, will be inputting 2 integer variables, right? Now suppose we have 2 integer variables and 1 float variable, right? This is just an example, just to imply this example in our program. It is not exactly the program we are doing, just explaining you what is typecasting, right? So see, suppose we say C is equal to A divided by B. Now supposing A's value is 10 and B's value is 3, right? So what are we doing here is 10 divided by 3. So answer should be 3.33, right? Now because these variables, these 2 variables are integer type variables, so return will also be integer type of, right? That means C will only be given 3, not the decimal part. Now if we need the decimal part also to be assigned to C, for that we'll be using typecasting, right? Now how to use this typecasting and how can we imply this in our program, that we'll see with the help of this particular question when we solve it on the compiler. So let's see how it is done. Let's have a look at this program. This program is to input 2 integer values and display sum, difference and average of the input values, right? As discussed over the board, we have taken 4 integer variables and 1 float variable. We have used clear screen, printf to display the message, scanf. There are 2%d in the scanf because we wanted to input 2 integer values. That is why 2%d we have taken, and A and B, right? Now first value given will be assigned to A and second value will be assigned to B. Now in this expression where we have written C is equal to A plus B, right, type definition is not required here because we are taking two integer values and assigning to integer variable only, right? Same ways D is equal to A minus B, again we are taking two integer values, right, which will be resulted in integer value only, and D is again an integer type of variable, so typecasting is not required here. But here E is a float type variable, and because we are using division, so it may result in floating point value. That is why typecasting is required here, right? Now how to do typecasting? Whatever type you want to convert into, that will be written within the brackets, right? Then the expression that you want to convert into that particular type that you have given within the brackets. Okay, so in this case we wanted to convert our output into floating point variable, into floating point value. That is why float have come and our expression have come after that. So whatever the result will be converted into floating point value and then will be assigned to E, right? Then we have used printf function to display the values sum, difference and average. Let's see the output of this program. Now suppose the values given are 10 and 4, right? Sum is 14, difference is 6 and average is 7. 14 divided by 2, the average has been shown as 7 and decimal part is also shown with 6 figures, right? Let's see, let's run it one more time. Suppose the values given are 10 and 5, right? 15 is the sum, difference is 5 and average is 7.5, right? I hope this is understood. Let's run it one more time, but this time let's remove this typecasting. Let's see what is the output after this. Let's run it now, right? I'm giving the same inputs so that you can see the difference, 10 and 5. This time you see 7.0000 is assigned to our floating point variable because it was not typecasted. So if you want the decimal part also to be assigned and should be used in our result, so for that we need to typecast it, and this is how in C we used to typecast our calculations or the expressions result, whatever assigned, whatever has to be assigned to our variable, right? I'm sure you have understood this concept. I'll be back with more such kind of concepts, so keep watching. Please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video.